I just remembered, oh, well, there's a bunch of junk on my bench. I just remembered the next video, before I paint my barbecue thing, I gotta bring a file. Every time I go to paint my charcoal burner, I keep forgetting I forgot to deburr it. So anyway, but this video is not about that. It'll be another video. What am I doing? Yeah, got a tool review video here. Yeah, imagine that. I'm reviewing tools. Pretty sure if you watch my channel, you know what this video is going to be about. Anyway, this video is about a little blue tool which I picked up online. I'm playing with here, but I want to show you something. It's about this thing. It is a used KOBALT ratchet. I like this because it's like kind of like that. Give me all your money. But anyway, it's more of a, so you like that. Yeah, don't mind the pink finger and just ta-da! I sat here for an hour doing this, just playing with it. Do I think it's any good? I think it's made of plastic, and 50 years from now, it's gonna fall apart. It's not gonna last. That's my first thought about plastic coated anything, because you know the Smithsonian's plastic stuff is falling apart, especially from the Apollo program. So if we think this is gonna be around, no. These things will, but these, no. Unless somebody made it all out of metal. Of course, it'd probably be, what, 14 pounds? But believe it or not, I think it's pretty cool. Check this out. I mean, you can kind of like, wait, let's see, put it down more. Sorry about the messy bench, but you can kind of like just grab stuff with it. And then, watch this. Ta-da, just drop it. You can pick up stuff. Though it's probably not designed to be the quicker picker-upper. I've actually used this once so far, and it's actually like, ta-da, gets in there. Does it work as a ratchet? Yeah. Is it really good? Is it like the best thing I've ever seen? No. I mean, it's like whatever. It came with a, what did I get with it free? I only wanted this, but it came with something else. Where is it? Oh yeah. Came with this thing, which I'm pretty sure I'll use. I didn't want this thing because what am I going to do with a little flat saw, right? Cut stuff, obviously, but I won't review that. Let me turn the light on here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, I've used it once so far. Like, you don't want to sit there and fiddle with the. Do I have a ratchet in here? Or a crescent wrench? No, I don't. I mean, quality-wise, it doesn't compare to the engineering going on this thing. Like, this thing will be around for 100 years, except a little piece of plastic. Sorry, Weira, but your tool is not going to last either, unless you engineer that into a piece of metal. But other than that, it's not comparing Weira tools either, or Vira tools, whatever you want to call it. But this, you're in a hurry, just chung 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 chung. See, you can get the right size bolt. You can play with it. I think for novelty's sake, I will probably sit here and do this until it dies, rather than actually use it. It's a tad bit too thick for my taste. Like, most ratchets are not, what is this, a 1/2 inch thick? Let me check here. It is approximately about 8.5 inches long and a good, shit, it's almost, well, yeah. With this little bump here, it's over 1 inch wide. The body is, yeah. This part's 1 inch wide, and the top is what? 5/8? Yeah, 5/8 wide. So it's a rather wide contraption. I think they're like 20 bucks or something. I don't know. I didn't buy it at Lowe's. I bought it on eBay because Lowe's didn't have, my local Lowe's that's 1 hour away. Yeah, my local Lowe's 1 hour away. Didn't have any in stock. I don't know if they're on sale or what, but I'll probably sit here and use this as a novelty toy and just go like this for like 3 hours. You know those things that you exercise your hands with? There we go. Push it, keep going. Could probably do that all day with it. The other problem I would think is look, there's no button on this side. You have to kind of like flip it and then It's not really a left-handed thing. I mean, it could be if you just put the thumb right here, because I would like to push my button with the thumb, not with the index finger, but it does work. So anyway, that's my thoughts on this plastic thing. I'd be curious, I should sacrifice it to the gods and see what's under here. Like, is this just metal here and it's all plastic? It'd be interesting to see how much metal's in there. Another video. Anyway, that's my story. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you love or hate this channel. Toodles.